Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add text into your video in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and as you can see, I'm using Premiere Pro 2023, but you can pretty much do the same steps in order for you to add text right here in Premiere. So from here, you can do this in any versions of Premiere. So let's start by tapping on our T button on our keyboard, or you could just click here on the type tool right here, type tool icon or T. You can go and click here on your video and where you want to put it. Let's say here in the bottom, and you can go there. As you can see, a graphic clip would appear right here in your timeline, and then you can type whatever you want. So maybe walking, just like that. And yeah, just like that. Now we have successfully created a text file. And now to edit this, you can go here under Essential Graphics. You have this option, or you can go into Effect Controls. It's basically the same. And then from here, you can go and expand this right here. As you can see, this text, it says text, walking, and so on. You want to expand this, and you would have the same options as you would right here. But in right here, you can align this right here. So if you want to use the Essential Graphics instead of going to FX Control, you can go into View, in the window, and then you can go for Essential Graphics. Make sure that this is checked right here so that it would appear right here or in your workspace, and you just need to drag it right here. And now after that, you want to go, let's edit here in the Essential Graphics. So you can position it or align it wherever you want in your screen, maybe like this, or that. But let's just go and put it here at the bottom. So here and at the bottom right here, just like that. And now you can also change your text style here, your font style, or your bold, or whatsoever that you'd want, your font size. However you'd want to align it, you can go it for your middle or right align text, and so on. You can also edit it right here, all your essential options that you would need to edit your text right here. You can add your fill right here. You can add a stroke right here, just like that. And you can add your background if you'd want to. You could go for green, this one. And as you can see, it's like that. Let's put it here in the middle, right there. And you can also add a shadow, of course, right here. And yeah, as you can see, it's now like this one right here. And that is basically how you can add a text here in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.